binary university and Zimbabwe in Malaysia and Zimbabwe Open University. This is an initiative which was started by His Excellency, the President, when he discussed with his counterpart, the former President of Malaysia, His Excellency Mahathir Mohamad. And so the idea really is about binary, partnering with ZOO to train young people in rural areas, empowering them